Doctor Singna Jackson dabadagi anaba layeng balak pamiyoy amasung angang unaraba matung mamalay kidabani haina maral siraduna khoisaung naraba imung manung Amadi mari mata Singna Rims Imphal gi Medical Superintendent Office yekhai thugaiba Amadi Dr. Amabu Purambagi mayokta ngasi Rims Student Union Teacher and Medical Officers Association Tamau Resident Doctors Association RDA Non-Teaching Employees Welfare Association NTEWA Amadi Rims Nurses Association Philpart RNAL na Wakat Meepham famduna khongjang changsinkhre Rims ta angang unabagi pukhalaki balilong chajingdagi chingsubam manju angang nupi macha ama poklaba matung I hatharakpadagi ni haiduna nongalamdai ayuk pung ahumda laikhidabani amana bamon kampudagi yambem sanjoy kawamiyoy ama Sayengi anabagi layeng naba pukhalakpadagi laikhidabani Thodok sing asi Dr. Singna Jackson dabadagi thokpani haiduna Rims ki Medical Superintendent Office yekhai thugaiba yaungna Dr. ama tamthina furamkhibani ngasi Rims ki new OPT block ta Chathakhre Wakat Meepham aduda medical tamliba Maheiroi sing staff Amadi healthcare service piriba kayana sarukyakhi khongjang aduga mari lainana Teachers and Medical Officers Association ge President Dr. Jiten Hai Miyamgi punsi kanaba hotnariba Dr. Singhi safe environment ama mathau tai thokliba thogdo wathok khudingmak niyom chumna mari lainaba higher authority da wakatuna ingna chikna yanaba purakpana fai violence na taba to papambaida khongjang changsilakpada akaiba laite haiki miyamna yariba makai violence thadok piu haiki
Asino kwen OPD je thingakpa matamda patient jing dano waram gadawa imung dano waram gadawa mayam do akoi pungning da doctor amoina akoi pajan madu fail tawi madugi namuta adugi nungai tabu so I share tawjai from the side of the association as soon as possible situation jena hek conducive oiba ngarangi leiriba tana raga doctor do ICU da pusan mama kai tawiram babu da karamba doctor na mana masida taw pangthopang ngado no haibasi khogi yam samsamba miyoi bagi logical question nama thok e maram maduna aigi doctor sing khoi leiriba sing sida panic Akibagi, pain the bagi, professional with dignity, I tabak togzarubagi, adogi nungai java, adogi pain java. We have a shang antanate, dignity haibam sulay. Dignity, the sanctity of the institute, the dignity of the profession, the physical well being of an individual, professional amakang namagi, official among tabak tabuda sumadudasu, upon the PV Bahibase, violence cybersity, any form of violence, Masimadi Akoi, strongly denounced Togzai, Masia Koyazade.